Hello friends, this is the marble paper through which I am going to make a rat. First you have the foldings like this. Open it, make another folding. It should be a square shaped piece, okay. Then make another folding, not exactly half, little less than half. Okay, did you get it? Next folding is folding backward, okay, from the unequal part, and it should be small V shape, okay, curve shape. And then where it is bending over here, you have to fold it backward. Okay, this is how your rat is ready. Here you have to make the face, the eyes of the rat. You can use a dark sketch pen, black color, or you can use your black crayons. This is the rat, okay. Look at this. Here again another one. You can draw the face here and then eyes, and you will get different colored rat. Draw flowers and color. You can draw flowers and color them with crayons. This is the picture I have done for you. Now take your ice cream sticks, candy sticks, and color them blue, orange, purple or red, and then place them here and make a Christmas tree. Okay children?